Pass number 32.
Three-point rep. Rep.
Number 21.
Ano score? 0-6.
Pass to number 10. 5 to shoot. Foul number 27. Two shots. Para kay number 4.
27. Namlo din.
First draw. Good.
Ayos na po. Okay na.
Last draw.
Ayos na.
Number 32. Binigay kay number 22. Balikin number 10. Number 22. 10 to shoot. Wala. Nakunin na. Number 21. Nagmamadali. Number 21. Binigay kanina. Number 25. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul number 27. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Two shot. First throw. Last throw. Wala pa rin. Nakuha pa rin yung number 25. Wala. Nakuha number 22. Pass to number 1. Out of bounds. Wala ng yellow team. Number 21. Number 21. Out of bounds. Bola ng blue team. Number 22. Outlet pass para number 1. 2 point.
Number 27. 2 point.
Number 4. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. Number 21. Lisa sa ilalim. 2 point.
Number 10. Kayla.
Number 10. 14 to shoot. Number 32. Wala. Nakuha ni number 27.
27 ba? 22.
Score natin. 21-30. In favor of yellow team. Number 4. Pass to number 21. Drive. Number 21. Bola na. Blue team. Number 27. 2 point. Oras. Last 1 minute. Shot clock 15. 10. Number 21. Pass to number 10. Pump. 2 point. Number 27. Pass to number 01. Wala. Oras. Last 30 seconds. Number 4. Wala. Last 20 seconds. 5 to shoot. 4, 3. Oras 10. Shot lock po yung kanina, shot lock. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Start of the second quarter. Score natin 23-15 in favor of the yellow team.
Sevilla pala. Sir Martin. Sir Martin.
Blue ball.
Sevilla pala, wala no. Nasa block.
Number 6. Pass to number 30. Sa gitna. Wala. Mahon number 1. Nagpapadali. Number 1. Solo. Number 1. Wala. Nakuha dito. Pass to number 40. Sumubo. Wala. Nakuha ni number 7. Steal. Binigay kay number 4. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 1. Sumubo. Wala. Nakuha nila number 26. Binigay kay number 30. Still. Number 1. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Not counted. Foul number 26. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 1. Binigay kay number 1. Binigay kay number 4. Number 4. Wala. Nakuha dito. 5 to shoot. Pushing foul. Foul number 07. Number 1, sumubo. Wala, nakuha nila. Bola ng blue team. Number 14. Seal by number 1. Pass to number 1, nagmamadali. 2 point. Score natin, 25-15. In favor of yellow team. Shot clock 15. Same ball. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 10. Number 26. Shot clock 5. Wala. Nakuha number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 1. Sumubo. 2 point down. Number 26. Still. Number 1. Number 10. Binigay number 4. 2 point. Advance timeout. Blue team. Shot clock 10. Still, binigay kay number 1. 2 point. Time out. Blue team. To the ball game. Wala na blue team. Out the pass. Para number 40. Number 40. Foul. Foul number 0. First personal foul. First team foul.
Akala yung mandatory. Time out lang pala yung...
First row. Good.
Out tayo. Yung blue. Sir Martin, pasok ka.
Last row. Wala. Nakuha nino. Number 0. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Nagpapadali. Pass to number 1. Sumubo. 3. 2 point ang pala. 2 point. Sayang. Number 26. Pass sa gitna. Nakuha na number 26. Number 26. 5 to shoot. Number 5. Foul number 0. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Dalawa? Isa.
Dalawa.
2 shot. Blue. Last row. Stepping on the line. Not counted. Number 1. Pass to number 4. Pass sa ilalim. Wala. Nakuha ni number 26. Nagmamadali. Pass sa ilalim. Shake.
Nice one! Nice one!
Single. Shot clock. 17. Shot clock, 17. Number 7, Sumubo. Out of bounds, ball ng yellow team. Number 1. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Still out that pass para kay number 26. Solo. 2 point. Number 1. Number 1 nagmamadali. Number 1. Grabe din ka dyan. Number 7. Binigay kanino? Nakuha nino? Pag-dead ball po. Change 5. Mandatory.
Guard mo lang ako, sige.
Eight seconds.
May 4 seconds na kanina. Yes, sabitin mo. Palit eh.
Bola ng blue team.
Tama lang, hindi naman kasi ano sa likod.
Oh, ready, ready!
Number 10, pass sa gilid. Number 22. Wala.
Guardia, dyan si Guardia!
Number 1.
Ikot guard. Take mo na, yan!
Number 1. Sumubok. Wala. Binigay kanino? Number 32.
Nice one! Nice one!
Bola ng yellow team. Number 1. Binigay number 10. Balikan number 1. Binigay number 10.
3 seconds! 3 seconds!
Binigay number 21. Wala. Nawala. Outlet pass para number 17. Solo. Wala pa rin.
Set guard! Set the guard!
Number 1.
Ikaw muna!
Number 1. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 22. Bola ng blue team.
Harap!
Number 27. 2 point.
Mandatory.
Mamaya po.
May mandatory po tayo.
Mag 5 minutes po.
Number 1. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Bola ng blue team. Score natin 33-21 in favor of yellow team. Same ball. Shot clock 21. Number 22. Binigay number 17. Sumubok. Wala. Number 32. Foul.
Mamaya po.
Foul number 25. First personal foul, third team foul. Number 22. 2 points.
Sampu.
Shot clock 15. Number 21. Wala. Number 10. Wala pa rin.
Set the leader! Set the
Shot clock 10. Number 1. Wala. Number 32. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 27. Wala. Nakuha ni number 1. Binigay number 10. Jump shot. Wala. Nakuha number 32. Jump ball. Bola na. Yellow team. Yellow team. Number 21. Grabe din ka dyan. Score 33-23. 10 point lead para sa yellow team.
Harap! Nice!
Still, ako number 1.
Set guard! Set the guard!
Boys! Boys! Boys!
Mga bata, tabi muna kayo. Mamaya na yan.
Hey, kung ayaw mo bang po sa Sabado?
Number 10. Pam. Mga number 10 pa rin. Pam. Foul. Foul number 22.
Warning. Warning.
Number 1. Wala. Nakuha din ako. Still, the number 1. Pass to number 10. Nawala. Bola ng blue team.
Hindi, bola nyo. Advance timeout.
Advance timeout yellow team.
Wala pa sa...
Number 22. Binigay kay number 10. Pass sa gilid. Number 17. Step back 3. Number 22. Timeout yellow team. Oras natin. Last 52 seconds. Bang! To the ball game. Score natin, 33-25. Favor of yellow team. Oras, last 52 seconds. Last 52 seconds. Number 1. Bigay number 77. Yellow ball. Oras, 44 seconds. Last, 40 seconds. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul number 27. Number 27. Tatlo ka na. Warning for penalty pa lang. Number 10. Pass number 77. Wala. Nakuha nila. Oras. Last 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Last 15 seconds. 15. 15 seconds. Last 15 seconds.
Warning for penalty na kayo. 14 fouls.
Walang foul!
15 to shoot. Number 21. Drive. Una. 10 seconds. Foul. Foul number 32. Penalty. 2 shot.
Take your time, pare! Take your time!
Last throw. Para ka number 10. 8 to shoot. 7 to shoot. 7 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Still 5 to shoot. Who's foul ref? Foul number 1.
3 seconds.
3 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. Number 17.
Okay. Start of the third quarter. Score natin 33-20 in favor of yellow team. Blue ball. Blue ball.
Umano na.
5-point lead para sa yellow team. Number 26, 3. Number 26, pass to number 17. Tumira na naman, wala. Nakuha nino. Number 10, nagmamadali.
Yeah!
Pass to number 4.
Ayan!
Balikin number 1, pass to number 1. Sumubo. Wala, nakuha number 3. Number 26. Number 26, Sumubo.
Lamelo ball no? Galing tuhod yung tiro Lamelo ball for 3 points.
Number 4, Pinawian agad. Outlet pass para kay number 17, still. Number 1. Number 1. Go close. Bola ng blue team. Five-point lead para sa yellow team. 5-point lead. Number 26. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 14. 10 to shoot. Number 3. Wala, nawa number 0. Pass to number 1, nagmamadali.
Relax lang. Set lang. Set mo muna. Antay.
Pass to number 4.
Kurt, kuha Kurt!
Number 4. 2 point.
Kong!
7-point lead para sa yellow. Number 17. Number 26. Baba sa 4 ang nahabol ang blue team. Number 10. Pump. Umikot.
Counted! Counted!
Foul. Foul number 22. Number 22. Second personal foul, first team foul. First row. No good. Last row. Wala pa rin. Nakuha pa rin number 10. Bam! Foul! Foul number 22. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shot. Last row. Wala pa rin. Nawali mo. Number 26. Pass to number 22. Drive. Nawala. Bola na blue team.
Mukhang may tinatago ng paano na nag-ulit na.
Number 22. Sumubo. Wala. Nawala number 17. Number 17. Wala. Bola ng yellow team. Number 4. Number 4. Easy to point. Number 26. Foul. Foul number 1.
Mandatory.
Two foul. Baba sa 4 ang hinahabol ng blue team. Number 4, pass to number 1. Number 1, number 3. Number 22, pass to number 17. Pass to number 14. Wala, nawali na. Number 4. Nawali na, number 1. Number 1. Pass na ilalim. Blanca. Blanca. Shot clock. 8 to shoot. Shot clock. 8 to shoot. Number 1. Sumubo. Wala, nawali na. Number 26, outlet pass para kay number 17. Out of bounds, wala ng yellow team. 4-point lead para sa yellow team. Number 1, pass to number 4, sumubo. Wala, nawali na. Number 1. Same ball. Score natin, 40-36. Shot clock, 8 to shoot. Number 0. Pass to number 10, pump. Steal. Number 22. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 26. 2 points. Baba sa dalawa ang hinahabol ng blue team. Number 1. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 10. Tulo-tulo. Counter foul. Foul number 17. First personal foul, 13 foul.
Lamok.
Bonus shot. Good. 5-point lead para sa yellow team. Yeah. Number 17. Mandatory mandatory, change 5. Baba sa dalawa ang inahabol ng blue team. (43-41) in favor of yellow team. Back to the ball game. Bola ng yellow team. Yellow team ball. Change 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 21. Jump shot. No, number 32. Pass to number 7. 7. Pass to number 27. Pass sa gilid. Tumubo. Wala. Bola ng yellow team. Number 10. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 77. Steal. Awal number 4. Number 4. Jump shot. Foul. Foul number 01. First personal foul warning for penalty. 2 shot. Good. Last throw. Basket again. Score 45-41. 4-point lead para sa yellow team. Number 27, sa gilid, 0-1. Tumubok. Wala. Nawali na. Number 27. Number 27. Traveling. Number 10. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Still. Number 27. Number 27. Wala. Bola na. Yellow team.
Depensa.
Number 10. Shot clock 10. Block. Foul. Foul number 7. Number 7, second personal foul, penalty. First row, not good. Last row. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ninyo. Number 21. Nakuha ninyo. Number 7. Number 7. 2 point. Number 4. Broad. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Tumubok. Hello. Outlet pass para kay number 27. Well, nakuha ni number 27 pa rin. Drive. Wala pa rin nakuha number 7. Pass. Who's now rip? Foul number 21. First personal foul, second team foul. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng yellow team.
Time out yan. Time out po.
First row, good.
Sir, pag bola nyo, kaya dead ball.
Last row para number 7. Good. All 45 ang score natin.
Advance time out po.
Advance timeout, blue team. Number 22, Sinubo. Nakuha nino. Number 01. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 27. Pump. Wala. Number 27 pa rin. Pass to number 10. Number 1. Wala. Nakuha nino. Number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Foul. Foul number 01. Number 01, second personal foul, penalty. Number 77. 10 to shoot. Number 77. Wala. Nakuha na no. Number 7. Pass to number 27. Wala. Nakuha number 27 pa rin. Wala pa rin. Nakuha nino. Blue ball. Time out. Blue team. Back to the ball game. Save ball. 1 point lead para sa yellow team. Number 6, 26. Binigay kay number 1. Binigay kay number 32, Pam. Number 32, Bicot. Wala. Shot down, 12 to shoot. Number 26. Shot down 10. Shot down 5. Number 01, Tumubo. Shot clock violation. Bola ng yellow team. Number 1. Number 1. Foul. Penalty. Sino ba ulit?
Dalawa rin.
01. Number 01. Third personal foul penalty. First row, not good. Last row. Good. Number 26. Ora, last 50 seconds. Number 32. Wala, no number 22. Traveling. Oras natin. Last 40 seconds. Last 40 seconds. Number 26. Shot clock 15. Number 1. Wala, now number 0. Oras, last 20 seconds. Number 1. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. End of the third quarter. Start of the final quarter. Score natin 47-45. 2-point lead para sa yellow team.
Sir, wala naman mandatory ka na. Pwede naman.
Wala na tayong mandatory sa fourth quarter. Yellow ball.
Ngalay.
Number 1. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 4. Will the one you know, number 22. Steal. Number 4. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Jump shot. Will look. The one you know, number 1 pa rin. Foul. Who's foul ref? Number 14.
14, 14.
First personal foul, first team foul. First row. No good. Last row. No good, no one now, 0. Number 0. 10 to shoot. Number 1. 5 to shoot. 2 points para kay number 10. Apat lang inahabol ng blue team. Foul para number 10. 10. Oh. First personal foul, first team foul. Shot na 14. Shot clock 10. Number 22. Traveling. Number 0. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass sa ilalim. Pump. Block. Number 26. Number 26. Number 26. Foul. Foul number 0 for first personal foul, second team foul. 2 shot para number 26. First row, good. Last row. Good. Baba sa dalawa ang inahabol ng blue team. Number 10. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 0. 4-point lead para sa yellow team. Number 26. Sumubok. Wala, number 0. Pass to number 1, nagmamadali. Number 1, wala. Outlet pass para number 3, pump. Save ball, shot clock, 17. Number 3, pump. Steal. Number 22, nagmamadali. Number 22, foul. Foul number 04. Number 04, second personal foul, third team foul. 2 shot. First row, no good. Last row. Wala. Nakuha nila. Number 40. 10 to shoot. Double dribble. Injury sub. Number 1. Pass. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 1. Number 17. Number 22. Number 22. Steal. Number 1. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 0. Time out! Blue team, score natin! Hindi kayo. Isa na lang, time out nyo, blue team. Score natin 53-47 in favor of yellow team. Number 40. Number 40. Pass sa ilalim. Pass number 3. Wala. Magawin na. Line ball. Para blue team. Wow. Shot na 14. Sumibo. Baba sa tatlo ang hinahabol ng blue team. Number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 1. 10 to shoot. Wala, number 17. Nagmamadali. Number 17. Steal. Outlet pass para kay number 10. Easy 2 points. 5-point lead para sa yellow team. Number 40. Number 40. Foul. Foul number 1. Sabrep. Sabrep.
Tawag po, tawag malalabas. Tawag.
Sabrep. Number 1, tatlo ka na. Warning for penalty. Number 26. Pasa sa Gillen, number 70. Round 3. Number 1. Pasa number 1. Pasa number 1. Pasa number 4. Grabe din ka dyan. Bola ng blue team. 5-point lead para sa yellow team. Number 7, 2 points. Oras. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 4. 10 to shoot. Number 4. Foul. Foul number 07. Number 07. Tatlo ka na. Second team foul. Baba sa tatlo. Ang hinahabol ng blue team. Number 10. Pump. Number 10. Umikot. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Wala. Nawala number 0. Piso. Balik sa lima. Ang kalamangan ng yellow team. Number 17. Labas. Technical. Para ka number 1. Technical foul for number 1. Clapping foul.
Rep! Sama sa penalty, sama sa team foul yun? Ay, sana?
Personal, sa personal. Sa team foul wala din. Technical foul lang.
Ano position na?
Ano possession? Blue team.
Nasa yellow.
So, nasa yellow ka na.
Bola na ang blue team.
Same ball, same ball.
Save ball. Number 26. Pass sa gilid. Wala. Wala number 1. Number 1. Steal. Number 4, 26. Nagmamadali. Number 26. Pass sa ilalim. 2 points. Baba sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng yellow team. 3-point lead para sa yellow team. Nakuha nila, number 1. Pass to number 1. Foul goal. Foul number 27. Number 27. Warning for graduate. Third team foul. Ball shot. Good. Baba sa anim ang kalamangan. Pass na ilalim. Pam. Block. Nawalino. Number 17. Same ball. Shot clock 4 seconds.
4 second shot clock. 4.
Shot clock 4. Long 3. Wala number 4. Number 4. Nagmamadali. Number 4. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 10. 2 points. 8 point lead para sa Yellow Team. Advance timeout Blue Team.
Time out kayo? Mamaya.
Hindi.
Sabrip. Number 21. Pass to number 10. Balikin number 21. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Number 10. Pump. Spin move. 2 points. Time out. Time out. Blue Team. Score natin. 64-54. To the ball game. Blue. Blue ball. Number 01. Kapos. Foul number 04. Number 04. Third personal foul. Running for penalty. Penalty na pala, penalty.
Pag nahawakan yung bola,
Penalty.
ito. Voting penalty.
Both teams, penalty. Blue.
13 ball pa lang.
Number 4. Foul number 01. Number 01. Warning for graduate. 2 shot. Bola red, bola. 2 shot. Para is number 04. Good. Last row. Nakuha na mo. Number 26, nagmamadali. Pass sa gilid. Pass sa number 26, sumubo. Wala. Nakuha number 0. Nakuha number 4. Pass sa number 1. Shot knock 15. Shot knock 10. Same ball, bola ng blue team. Number 26, pass sa gilid. Number 3. Nawala nila. Number 26. Sumubok. Airball. Good. 2 points. Wala na pong timeout ang blue team. Sa yellow team, 3 pa. Last 2 minutes. Number 1. Number 10. Foul. Number 14. Second personal foul. Penalty. Pagsunod. First row.
Ready. Ready sab for pag-shoot.
Ready to sub. Rep. Wala. Nakunin na. Number 14. Pass sa gilid. Sumubok. Baba sa 5. Ang kalangan ng yellow team. Number 4. Number 42. Number 1. Bumukot na naman. Wala. Number 10. Pass sa ilalim. 2 points. 70. Last 1 minute. Score natin 70-61. Wow. Foul number 26. Sabrip. Number 10.
Penalty.
First round. Full.
Challenge lang lahat ng ng tira.
Wala. Nakuha na. Number 20. 3. Long 3. Wala. Nakuha number 14. Pass sa ilalim. 2 points. Last 45 seconds. Last 30 seconds.
2 shots.
Who's fouled up? Foul number 27. Number 27, graduate.
Asan?
First round, no good.
Sa labi lagi tama. Doon sa ibabaw. Ito naman. Pausin mo. Doon na naman tatama. Bobi, di ba?
Yun, single. Last round, good. Number 26, step back 3. Wala, no number 32. Last 15 seconds. Who's fouled up? Foul number 26. Third personal foul, penalty. 2 shots. Wala. Last throw.
Kaya pa yan, no? Ilang segundo na? 15? Di ba pala?
Last 15 seconds. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Number 3, wala. Number 17.
3, 2, 1.
End of the last game. Winning ball. Yellow team.
Ay, din si Coach. Grabe, dalawang magkasunod na araw, shoutout po kay Sir Topper. Sana po maramdaman ka namin ngayon. Sir, congrats sir.